How to fix ChatGPT voice conversation not working. Now, in this video, I'm going to be providing you simple steps for you to fix this kind of issue. But first, before you open up ChatGPT, you'll just have to press and hold on the icon of the app, and then choose on the I logo. Now, from here, just simply scroll down and then go into permissions. So, in this field, you should be able to see the field of allowed and the field of not allowed. Now, from not allowed, choose on microphone and make sure that this is enabled. Once it is already enabled, simply go back and then open up the ChatGPT app. Now, your voice prompt or your voice conversation will usually located at the lower right portion of your screen. For you to be able to use that, you just have to simply press or tap and hold on that icon, and then just simply execute the conversation that you would like to be prompted on ChatGPT. If this method is not working, then just go into your Google Play Store or wherever you download the application. And from here, you just have to make sure that your ChatGPT app is updated to its latest version, so you will have that kind of feature. That's how you fix ChatGPT voice conversation not working.